In this video, I will show how to copy paste visible cells only using the shortcut and to hide hidden rows. So as you copy in normal way and paste anyway, so all the row and cells will be appear. So if you hide like number 3, 4 and 5, and once you copy it, so in normal way all the files will be appear here. So just copy visible files, you need to use one shortcut. Firstly select your content, then press alt semicolon. Now control C and control V. So we can see in this way you can just copy visible files, skip the hidden files. Thanks for watching.